Today we are here to ask one simple question. How do you stake your Ethereum using a Trezor device? Let's find out. Alright, quick heads up before we start. Staking Ethereum on Trezor is really for people planning to hold on to their Ethereum for a long period of time. Once you stake your ETH, it's locked up, you can't trade it, you can't move it until you unstake it. And sometimes that can take a few weeks. So if you're someone who likes to get in and out of trades or in and out of cryptos frequently, this isn't for you. If you're someone who just wants a safe place to keep your Ethereum and earn some rewards from it, and you're planning to hold on to it for a bajillion years, this is a great way to go about it. With that being said, let's get to the video. Alright, first things first, assuming you already set up your Trezor device, you installed whichever version of Trezor's suite fits your needs, you're going to come over here where it shows accounts, you're going to hit the plus sign, and you're going to find Ethereum. You're going to hit find my Ethereum accounts. It will load, it will eventually find one for you, and it will show up in the list right here on the left hand side. Now that we see our Ethereum, we are going to tap on it right over here, and if you don't already have Ethereum or you don't know how to send Ethereum here, you can do one of two things. You can click right over here under buy and sell and actually go through the purchase process. Or what you can also do is come over here to where it says send and receive, tap receive, and once you do this, what it will end up doing is giving you your address where you can go to whatever exchange you want, wherever you feel the most comfortable buying your Ethereum and sending it to your wallet. One thing to keep in mind is you'll need at least 0.1 ETH to stake, plus a little extra for gas fees. For this video, I went ahead and sent 1.24 ETH to my wallet just to cover everything. Alright, so let's tap on staking. Over here, it shows your estimated APY of what you would end up receiving. So we're going to hit start staking, and then we are going to hit continue. Then it's going to have us confirm again. We are going to come over here to where it says I acknowledge and confirm. So this screen right here is going to give quite a bit of information. It's going to show your available Ethereum here, how much you want to do. If you see, it's literally giving you, it's recommended to leave at least 0.03 ETH so you can pay for the withdrawal fee. If we come over here and we try to just hit max, it's going to say something's wrong, not going to allow you to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to 0.1. It's going to give us the okay. If we take a look over here, once you confirm, sign, enter the stake pool, time it takes to stake your ETH around 27 days. Received rewards is around 3.17 APY. If we come over here and tap this will give you your estimated awards weekly, monthly, yearly. So the more ETH you put in, the higher this number will show. The nice thing about it is it's automatically restaked, allowing you to compound everything. Next, you have your fees down here. You have low, normal, high. Most of the time, you're probably going to want to pick normal if it's like a busy time of the year where a lot of people are doing things on chain and you see gas prices starting to skyrocket. If you pick low during those times, you might get stuck and it's just going to delay everything. Or if you feel a little bit more confident going to advanced and setting up the gas fees yourself, you're more than welcome to. I will not be doing that. I am going to go with normal. So right now we are going to hit continue. Right over here, it says entering the stake pool may take up to 27 days. Your ETH will be blocked during this period and you cannot cancel the process. Do you understand? We are going to say yes and confirm stake. Now we are going to get a pop-up on our Ledger device. First thing first is it is asking for my password. Alright, so now it is asking us to sign. So we are going to hold our Trezor device to sign. And right over here, it will give us the option to stake. Again, always read through everything, make sure everything is to your understanding and liking. We are staking 0.1 ETH. There will be a fee of around $3.15 in gas fees. I am going to hit stake. Once I do that, we will see this transactions, pending transaction 1, starting November 6th, unconfirmed transaction. So at this point in time, everything should be showing. And as we say that, if you take a look in the left-hand corner over here, it is officially showing staking. So everything is officially gone through correctly. Now we just sit back and wait for those sweet, sweet rewards to come on in and compound and Lambo soon. So relatively easy process, guys. One last thing before we start the end of the video process. If you are planning on picking up the new Trezor Safe 7, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen from Trezzy the Trezor or click the link in the description below. It helps support the channel and I'd really would appreciate it. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day.